about an hour, 1.25 hours. And I've got some nice capsicums here. You can use whatever you like in there. You can have some zucchini, you can have some eggplants. You can also, if you feel like the Italian flavour, you can grab some arrabbiata sauce and pour a bit of sauce over there. And I've got in there also oil as well, a bit of oil. So now I'm going to pop that, give it a mix. So I'll give that a mix. So I'll mix it up a little bit. That's what you do. Get all those herbs in there. And then I'm going to pop that into my